Welcome students and viewers, you are watching 5M TV. In this lecture you will understand the SMART marketing goals. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures. Let's begin the video. What is the concept of SMART? SMART goals stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Using SMART in advertising creates a clear-cut path to preset goals. SMART goals guide brands through the process of defining what exactly they want to achieve and how they will be able to do it. You can use these goals to help you become more productive and to help you use your time and budget more efficiently. Why are SMART goals important? SMART advertising inspires interactivity. SMART advertising can boost performance. This produces immersive SMART ads. SMART is used to assess the suitability of objectives set to drive different strategies or the improvement of the full range of business processes. SMART goals are goals you can achieve. They encourage success. Understanding by SMART goals. Let's break down how to use each letter in the SMART acronym. Specific, the main idea of this objective have the potential to overcome real-world problems and unlock specific opportunities. Broad goals, such as increase revenue, do not give specific parameters. Specific advertising goals come in several packages. They can be defined by specific dollar goals, client goals, or campaign goals. Specific client goals might be to sign one new client a week for the next few weeks. Campaign goals might be to complete the pitch presentation for the new client's first campaign. Measurable. Measurable goals can be quantified and, as a result, then tracked. We can identify the starting point and whether our have reached the result. The developed goals must be measurable by a pre-agreed upon standard. Without that measure, your goal remains abstract. We can measure your progress against those goals on an ongoing basis. Attainable. It is important to keep goals attainable so that we will have a truthful ability to strategy for the company's future. Picking attainable goals gives you the measurable standard of results. Promotional goals can quickly kill enthusiasm and lead an organization astray. Relevant. Goals should be effective. SMART goals must be relevant to the business. When we reach the goal, must focus on increasing customers. The goals we set should be acceptable in with the higher goals we have for our organization. We must know how our promotional or business aims align with our broader business goals. Time-bound. Goals must have a deadline or time frame by which they should be achieved. Without that definite deadline, the goal turns into a moving target and doubtful to be reached. We must know the time frame in which we want to accomplish our aim. Everyone identifies what requirements to be finished so that they can achieve their desired results. Thanks for watch. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.